throwing the onion away.
Come on, eat it, Whitney.
Just sit down.
Yeah, you throwing the onion away.
Right.
Do you have salt?
Salt? Why you want to put salt on it? That's gonna help. We got cinnamon,
Salt's
sugar,
right there.
and chocolate.
The salt's right there.
There you go.
What did you say?
Eat it.
Nigga, you have to
No,
keep
it
eating
sounds
them
like
all
hella
the
good. It's
time.
like a tomato to me right now. I don't know why.
Eat it.
You know that's just nasty.
How if it was a purple one? It'd be way better. I'm really not gonna eat all of them.
I gotta pee.
Yo, nasty.
Should I just eat that?
You know this is nasty. You want to puke it up, don't you?
No.
Was it
Get
good?
some more.
I want some. We had grape tomatoes.
Hey, we got some chocolate, sugar, and cinnamon you can put on.
Eat that with that.
No, that's kind of hot too.
You can't take
The
that
onion
stuff?
is hot.
Yeah.
Stop videotaping.
It's not videotaping,
Come on.
stupid.
What a